Guys, when it comes to owning an online business, content marketing is going to play a major role in the success of your online business. In today's video, we're going to get into 3 different ways you can create engaging content for your online business. Hey guys, my name is Viva, and for over a decade, I've been living my dreams as a full-time influencer and successful online business owner. On this channel, you guys are going to be able to find everything you are going to need to do the same thing. The goal is time freedom and financial success. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, whether it's physical products, digital products, becoming a content creator, starting an online business, or just straight up entrepreneurial talk, then you are gonna love it here. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss one of the videos, and make yourself at home. Okay, so what is engaging content and why do we need it? Like, why is it that important? As an online business owner, or even if you're a content creator, you need engaging content because it's going to grab the attention of your viewer and it's going to keep them coming back for more. When your content is just that good, we want to see more. And that's exactly what you want, especially when you are trying to grow a thriving, successful online business. Because you guys, just think about it. On social media, we are literally bombarded with different businesses and different ads and stuff to buy. Like, what is going to put you apart from other brands? So when the content that you are creating resonates with your target audience, they are more likely to go to your website or return to your website or even follow you on social media, which is what you want. It's all a part of the conversion process. Another thing that creating engagement content for your online business is going to do is going to build trust. It's going to build loyalty. It's going to build credibility for your brand. Because you're constantly providing value, it's going to allow your brand to build some type of authority in your niche. And with that authority, you are going to start building trust. People are going to start seeing that they can actually trust you, that they can actually shop with you. And over time, that just translates to sales. It translates to people actually making the conversion and going ahead and purchasing something from your business. So producing that engagement content is going to build up your credibility, and then people are going to prefer your brand over your competitors. So I don't know if you guys know, but the whole process to convert someone into an actual customer is a very long process. I'm gonna put a little screenshot here for you guys just to show you guys the whole process of converting someone to actually becoming a customer of yours. It does not happen overnight. So this is why you're gonna have to start building up that trust, building up that consistency, and letting people know that you are the go-to person in your niche, in your business, for whatever you are selling. Another thing for creating engaging content for your business is going to do is going to help you with reach and SEO. I don't know if you guys know, but search engines, social media is a search engine, and they like to prioritize content that provides value. So that is another reason, which is one of the most important reasons why you want to be creating engaging content for your online business. So now that you guys can understand, I'm giving you guys a few reasons as to why you should be creating engaging content, like what are the benefits. Those are a few of the most important reasons. Now let's get into 3 different ways that you guys can actually start creating this engaging content for your online business. So you probably guessed it, the first type of engaging content that you want to be creating for your online business is going to be video content. Like I said, you probably guessed it. You want to pair visually appealing content along with trending audios. And I tell you guys, I work with brands and this is something that they always require. So they will literally send us weekly trend alerts using like trending sounds or trending dances. And they always tell us to incorporate these trends into our content because they already know it's trending. So if these large brands are doing that, we need to be doing the same thing as small businesses. So along with video content, you want to be incorporating storytelling. Storytelling is so important when it comes to owning a business or just being on social media, period. Like, you need to learn how to story tell. Like, why did you start your brand? What is your mission? What is your motive? Who are you helping? Like, these are things that you guys need to figure out and figure out how to actually convert that and convey that into a story that you can continuously tell to social media. Other type of videos you want to incorporate in your engaging business content is going to be how-to videos. If you're selling skincare, if you're selling clothing, you want to do how to style, how to use type of videos. I also want to do behind the scenes. Everyone loves a good behind the scenes. Behind the scenes is going to make you feel like a real person. Like, a lot of the times, big brands, they don't seem real. Like, you can't really relate to them because they don't really show us what's going on behind the scenes. So don't be scared to show behind the scenes. Packaging videos, like, this has always worked. Nothing has changed. Like, just when you're a content creator and you're promoting digital products, now everyone is doing BTS. Like, that's all it is. BTS, behind the scenes, will always be a hit for any business, whether it's product-based or service-based. So the second type of engaging content that you want to be creating for your online business is going to be interactive content. So this is going to be content that you can actually interact with, like polls and quizzes. So any type of interactive content is going to be amazing on your page because it's going to give your audience a call to action. Like, they're going to be participating in something, some type of poll, some type of quiz. And this type of content is always going to do the best because you're getting engagement. So pairing interactive content along with something that is highly relatable and reshareable, and then you are going to have yourself a very successful post. So I don't know if you guys seen the video that Adam from Instagram released saying that reshares is the most important thing when it comes to growing your Instagram page. So yes, you guys need to be focusing on posting relatable, reshareable content. Like, I don't care who you are, you have to make sure that your content is reshareable. So the third and the last type of engaging content that you're going to be creating as an online business owner is actually not content, because I want you guys to start going live. Listen, TikTok is not always going to be here. So you guys need to be utilizing TikTok to the fullest while we still have it. All you guys keep asking me, when do you think TikTok is going to get banned? I have no idea, but I do know it's going to be banned because the United States is very greedy and they want to control everything. And we have not heard any word of TikTok selling to anyone with your products. The cool thing about live on TikTok is because you can kind of implement all of these tips that I just gave you guys. Like, you can do your storytelling on TikTok live, just go live with your products, tell the story behind your brand. You can also go live and do live, like, you answer questions about your products, about your brand. You can also do live shopping. If you do have TikTok shop hooked up to your business, you can do like shopping live and have people purchase and do deals and specials and stuff like that. All of this is interactive. It's engaging. So definitely learn how to utilize live on TikTok while we still have it, you guys. It will not always be there. And I always tell you guys, I love TikTok Shop for business because it's going to help you get sales. So not only can you go live, and you know TikTok pushes live videos, like they put your live videos in front of random people. So you're able to get new eyes on your page, you're able to get new customers, and then you can also pair that TikTok Shop feature using live with collaborating with influencers and having them be your ambassadors and promote your products for a small commission. Like, it's a win-win situation. And there we have it, guys, a whole entire free video on how you can start creating engaging content for your online business. If you guys love this video, I know you will absolutely adore this video here on how you guys can figure out who your target audience is so you know who to promote your products to. Because if you're promoting your products to the wrong person, you are not going to get any sales. You need to put your products in front of the right people, the people who are your people, and the people who are looking for your products. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.